What's up guys, in today's video we'll be catching gold diggers part 16, so let's get started. And for this video I'll be stickman, so yeah. Alright, I'm gonna teleport to the gifts. Alright, there's a lot of people here. Okay, I'm gonna ask Moon to go on with me. Hello? I have one. I'm gonna pretend I have a parrot. Oh shoot! You do anything. You do anything. Sorry, I don't have one. But do you I'm gonna say wanna go out? Okay, I said I'm a noob by the way, so like, just letting her know I'm a noob, but actually I'm not. I don't have a parrot. Say yes or no. So you like me? Hello? I don't have a parrot. Holy shit. Where is she? Oh wait, so you will do anything for a parrot? Alright, so she's technically a gold digger, cause she'll do anything, technically for money, cause parrots is money. Yes, anything. Alright, okay. What should I make her do? What should I tell her to do? I low-key wanna make her. Nah, actually, no, I won't do that. Bruh, since I don't have a pair, she's just walking off. Nice. 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 Alright, she's ignoring me. Alright, what if I change my outfit to rich dog? Okay, I'm gonna show off my broom and my neon unicorn. Okay, where's Moon? Oh my god, every single time when I tell someone to come, oh my god, that ends up being like 3 people coming out of nowhere. Like, what the fuck? Where's this girl? Where's Moon? Oh shit, I almost called her mom. What the fuck? Oh my god. Alright, I got her. Okay. What will you do? Wait, I'm gonna. Will you do anything for a parrot? Yes. Alright. Okay. Say I'm a gold digger. Oh, wait. Is she gonna say? Swear. No! Not, no! You say, Oh my god. What? Okay, I don't give. Okay. Dress. Okay. Now dress up like a pig. uh. Dress up like a pig. Oh my god, is she actually gonna do it? Oh my god. Yo, she's dressing up like a pig now. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, now come. Oh my god. Wait. Oh my god, she's putting oh my god. Wait, why is everyone dressing up like a pig? I only told this one girl, and then everyone decides to, oh, I want to dress like a pig so I get free stuff. Yeah. I hope all you guys realize that I'm not actually gonna give her the parrot. So, I mean, where's Moon? She fucking left. What the? Oh my god. Oh my god. This is the funniest shit ever. Oh shit, she joined. Oh shit, she's still back. She's back. Oh shit. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, I gotta expose her right now. I gotta expose her right now. You already know. She's like, oink oink, gold digger. You you said you will do anything for the parrot. Yeah. So you will do anything. So you're a gold digger. She said, what do you want me to do? Kiss my ass, bitch. Oh my god. You know what? This guy actually dressed up like a pig, so you know, I'm gonna give him something to him. Alright, it's not good stuff, but uh what should I hand out? I'll give him the heart balloon, which is really rare. Well, you can't really find it anymore. For free. Oh my god. Yo, this guy's funny. I don't give stuff to gold diggers like you. Alright. Bye, bitch. Alright. Oh my god, that was funny though. That was some funny shit. Holy crap, where the fuck is my phone? Oh shit. Alright, I guess I'm gonna end it off from here. If you guys enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video, Catching Gold Diggers Part 17. Peace out.